Okay, traders, so I managed to record the video hopefully in time. You have uptrend working, however, already bounced on my exit. We have a new low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short failure. We bounced on my exit order, but we didn't tick through, scalping 7 contracts for 2 points, leaving 1 contract as a runner. It is also mini first entry long, second entry long, big bullish bar. So because I'm gonna zoom out. Okay, so we actually managed to get filled. I'm going to move my runner even higher because the trend is still in play. So the main structure is bullish trend. We started quite weak. We have a spike up, long consolidation, second spike up. But because this secondary leg is so deep and so strong, and overall structure of this uptrend is just so strong, this is no tiny uptrend. I had to draw some wider channel. You can see it's getting confirmation here and here. The wider channel is not the best fitting one, but because the trend is overall very big and long, I'm playing the wider channel. Our runner got stopped, but that's no problem. We at least managed to get the scalp. Locally, we can see how the EMA kept rejecting pretty much every single time. There was a second entry long, which is okay setup, but the signal bar was a little bit weaker, so I waited. You can use limit order. It came back. You can decrease the risk, but I decided to take the new low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short failure, mini new high, first entry long, second entry long, nice bullish bar, quick little scalp, while the structure is bullish.